Hi, if your Google Merchant Center is suspended for the misrepresentation issue or website need improvement, then this video for you. I have recently got to another Merchant Center reactive. Both were suspended for the misrepresentation and website need improvement. In this video, I am going to share you my recently completed to Google Merchant Center case study. This is the merchant center. That merchant center I got reactive today. If I show you the reactive mail, this one the reactive mail, and if I show you the date, this is the 3 February 2025. And this merchant center I got reactive for the both issue, misrepresentation and website need improvement. Okay, and another merchant center I got reactive 7 days ago. This one, and this merchant center all product are now approved, this one, and this one also approved. So I'm going to share you my whole case study how I got reactive both merchant center. So before sharing my experience, let me introduce myself. My name is Najimul. I am Google Merchant Center and website tracking expert. I am working since 3 years in this sector, and I have fixed more than 310 merchant center. Okay, so this is the docs file. I have note down all the thing, all the mistake. So let me share you all the thing. So this merchant center before, as you can see the screen, this one was suspended for the website need improvement and misrepresentation issue. Okay, so one by one I am going to tell you all the thing. Okay, this website was a third party link. Many Shopify store, when they build the store, and in the footer section there have a third party link like powered by Shopify. This powered by Shopify we need to remove. This is the third party Shopify link. That's why we have to remove this thing. In this website, their about us page, they did not mention the contact details. So this one also a mistake. The third thing, broken. This website was a two broken link that I have fixed already, and here have some broken text. This one is the broken link. Mm. When I click this link and it's going to the broken page like 404. In this website, they properly did not mention the shipping information. Shipping related all the information in the website must be need to describe all the thing like the handling time, transit time, order cut-off time, and then how customer track their product, and then also if they input the wrong address, in that case what is the solution, all the thing need to mention in the shipping policy. And in the return policy, in their return policy also they did not give the proper information about the return and refund related information. That was also a mistake that I have fixed already. The seven number point is, in their website, not was the favicon icon. I have add the favicon icon also, and their website in the terms and condition page they did not link the return and refund policy page. And in the Google Merchant Center customer service details, they did not mention the phone number. Mm. So phone number must be need to add in the Google Merchant Center settings, and exactly same number need to provide in the Merchant Center that have in your website. The three thing you have to match in your website and Merchant Center: the phone number, email, address, all the thing. Okay. The other thing is, in their website they have mentioned two price. One is selling price and another is regular price. Hmm. Instantly to reactive the GMC, each product should have the same price. If there is a selling price, it should be removed and the primary price should be kept. Okay. The other thing is, if the website contain any restricted word like guns, glamoury, gambling, etc. Then this is also one of the reason of the GMC suspension. The other thing is they did not mention the robot.txt file, and the other thing is I checked their website. Their website was like seven or eight product, and all the product description there have a broken image. So this was also a reason. This is also a reason. The other thing is the website was missing the collection page. In the website, you have must to mention in the header some collection page. Okay, if I show you this website, this is the website that I got reacted this one today. And as you can see the screen, I have mentioned the two category, the two collection, foot massage. In this category, there have a foot massage product, and the other is leg massage. In this category, there have a leg massage product. So this thing also need to describe in the website. The other thing is in the Shopify backend, general information under the general information, there also need to match exactly same information like phone number, email, and address need to provide properly. So phone number, email, address, opening hours, across the overall, you need to provide the same. Otherwise, Google getting problem. So I have fixed all the thing from the website. Now this website properly comply to the Google policy. And finally, after fixing all the thing, I talked to the Google support manually, and they took my case offline and transferred this case to the video team. And after 2 days, they approved by Merchant Center. So if you are facing this type issue in your merchant center, if you getting this type suspension like misrepresentation or website need improvement, then feel free to contact me. I will provide my contact details in the video description, and sure I can fix your merchant center. Okay, so yes, definitely contact me and discuss your problem, and then I can fix your merchant center. So thank you for watching this video. Next video I will share my next another case study. So thank you. Bye.